Hello humans! Today we have our January Boodle Box. Now I'm gonna open it. Here's the card. It says, bling in the new year. Happy New Year. Enjoy these goodies to start your year off with some sparkle. Then right here, it looks like a diary because ever like a book has that locket, it's a diary. And it also says, locking diary, cool gem look. Next we have glitter gel pens. I never heard of these before, ever. But I think I might use this one because it's pink. And I love pink. And next we have mini, I have no idea what that says, but it's like, my sister had this in her Posh Pack, and it's like nail stuff that you put on your nails. So I think that's cool, so we don't have to share. Oh yeah, It's an adjustable headband, and it's 2 of the American flag colors. I love this. I always need headbands. Next we have the bubble gum chapstick. It's original. Last we have Style Me Up bracelets. I have no idea what this is. Never heard of it. And so I'm gonna open it. This is the first thing. That's what's in it. There's beads. There's like star beads and little other beads. Then there's string that come with it, and I liked how they got me I just remember what this is. It's nail caviar. And I like how they said it in that. It says something in different languages on it. I also like the gel pens, the headband definitely, and the diary, and that was my Boodle Box for January. It just came in December. That's why I'm getting them confused. Christmas was yesterday too. Yeah.